Okay, I will configure NAT for the home gateway. First of all, locally subnets, I want to be without NAT. No NAT to no NAT. This rule, I don't need to, I will put win10 VM3. Okay. This will allow NAT to anywhere in the internet hide behind gateway. Now I will have the GW home. We'll do the same trick. So local traffic will not be NATed. Local traffic from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, but to the internet it will be NATed. I also add the tunnel test that it's not implied rule from some reason. I will check it later. But right now, my main focus is the tunnel will be up. CPU. That's it. That's okay because we don't have license. We are on eval. Which blade we have an error. We in 10 days cannot fetch license. Okay. Maybe when the tunnel test will work, we will see it up. I will try again for my laptop to RDP. Still doesn't work. So let's try again. I think it's here. Still doesn't work. Try to activate again. This message says that the the VPN is not up. That's why when we have the VPN tunnel, gateway home, encrypt, Site2Site with home. From his side, it's okay, it works, but in our side, it doesn't work. Let's try the tunnel getting up. We'll focus on the log. Okay. First of all, the NAT is working and we have policy now. We have a license now. I will focus on this 10.5.2. Let's see which tunnel test is working. So what the fuck? Still clear. This one is working. This one is the problematic one. We have here a real scenario for troubleshooting. Less than 3 minutes. Okay, I think I figured it out. 1 minute. This one, the main IP is the external interface. This one, not external. That's why it doesn't work. I need to configure the VPN on this interface. So I will go to link selection. I will select this one. Let's try now. 2 more minutes. What do you think? 2 more minutes. I will pause so I will not start a new one. 1 more minute. Okay, now it's work. I change this one on the link selection. I told him to initiate a VPN from this interface. Now we can see the log Win10 VM3, Win10 VM, remote desktop, encrypted. I will try an FTP. Now we can see the FTP